Hey, Daniel. Hi, guys. Is that Ashley? Oh, it's Mariella. Hi, Mariella. Hi, Maeve. Hello, Noelia's floor. Hello, Azalea. Hi, JP. And Daniel and Jesus. Okay. Cool. Nice. Okay. Hold on 1 second, everybody. I'm going to check something. Okay. How's everyone doing today? Thumbs up? Yes? We are very close to the end of the year, guys. We're about 1 week away. So, next Tuesday is the last day of school. So we're going to have promotion that day. Zoom promotion, okay? All right. Oh, look at that. All the boys have a haircut. Because barbershop's opened. Okay. All right, guys. Let's see. Here's another thing that I'm testing out. I'm checking to see if we'll be able to live stream our promotion for your families. Okay. The kids, I'm checking to see if I kind of want the kids to be able to be into Zoom, but not all your family. So right now I'm live streaming it on my channel on Mr. Delos Reyes on YouTube. Okay. So I'm testing that out. Hey, Abraham is in there right now watching it. He's checking to see if it looks okay. Okay. All right. Perfect. Hopefully it looks all right. All right, guys. 2 things. Okay. Number 1. Does anyone have any questions about Tuesday? I mean, not Tuesday. Wednesday. No. Nothing. Okay. I'm just gonna show you guys a couple things, just to review, just to make sure everyone's clear on what we're doing on Wednesday. Alrighty. All right. I'll bring up what I sent on Class Dojo. All right. Hey, Maeve. Maeve, I have a question for you. Can I, since your mom is right there, can I ask you a quick question? Or Antoine, if your mom's not busy, since I see your mom there. Antoine or Maeve, can you guys unmute yourself just for a second? Who? Isabella? Okay. If anyone's parent is not busy, right? If they're not busy and they feel comfortable about using YouTube, can you just check on something for me? Okay. Here. Okay. So I'm checking. Right now, I'm live streaming this meeting on YouTube, just because I want to see if this is going to work out for a promotion Zoom. Because if too many people are on the Zoom at once, I'm feeling like it's going to be laggy. Like if everyone's family's on there. So if any parents can go on their phone on the YouTube app and just go to my channel and see how the stream looks. Just tell me if it looks if the audio is like choppy. Okay? Isn't it clear? Really? Really? Wow. Even the audio, like the talking? Wow. Nice. Okay, cool. Is it a little behind? No, that's perfect. See? Man, YouTube's awesome. They know what they're doing. Okay, I'm going to talk to the 5th grade teachers. What I think I'm going to do is this. I think I'm going to send a Zoom link just for the kids, for you guys and your parents. And then I'll send you guys a link to my YouTube page for like your other family. Like if it's clear? Oh, perfect. So maybe like your grandma or your like anyone that doesn't live with you, if they want to watch the promotion, maybe they can just go to YouTube and they can watch it. and then the kids, you guys can be in the Zoom. Does that make sense? Yeah. So I'm gonna have. I think that's gonna work out. Isabella, is it so? It's looking good for your mom. Okay, perfect. Maeve, you too. Maeve, yeah, it's looking all right. Okay, perfect. Cool. Nice. This might work out. Oh, there we go. Okay, cool. Wow, nice. Okay, that'll be good. I'm just gonna let this go. I'll keep it rolling. Okay, parents, you're good. You don't have to be a prisoner to my YouTube stream anymore. Okay, let's go step by step. All right. On Wednesday. On Wednesday. Remember, this is your schedule. Okay? That's your schedule. So, let me zoom in. That's your schedule. 1:30 is Team 20. 2:15 is Team 25. And 3 o'clock is Team 26. If you can't make it at that time, you can come at any time. Okay, but try to come at your time if you can. That'll help so there's no traffic. Or less traffic. There's going to be traffic. Okay, any questions on that? Are we good? Okay, all right, perfect. Let me do this. All right. If you cannot raise your hand. Well, actually, let's do this. Give me a Zoom thumbs up if you're going to come on Wednesday. Oh, you can't come, Isabella? Oh, okay. All right. Perfect. Okay. Don't forget, guys, it's not a regular promotion. So you don't have to bring everyone in the family, okay? Because if you bring too many people, it's going to get crowded, and we don't want too many people around. It's still like, we're still trying to like make sure no one gets sick. So we're trying to we have to have our distancing, okay? All right, that's number 1. That's the schedule. Part 2, safety. Okay, everyone should have a mask, yeah? Because if you've been going out of the house, you should have some sort of mask, right? Okay, or a face covering, yeah? So make sure you bring it tomorrow, okay? Wear it tomorrow. I mean, not tomorrow, sorry, Wednesday. Make sure you wear it on Wednesday, okay? Especially if you're walking. If you're walking, you're going to be outside of the car. You're going to be around everybody. Make sure you wear your mask, all right? Or a face covering, whatever you wear when you go to the store, okay? And then even if you're driving, have it on, because it's kind of like when you go to a drive-through, okay? We're going to be giving you a bag of promotion stuff, and then you're going to be giving us any things that you need to return, like library books, my books, any of my books. Did I mention my books? Okay. Or any other things, all right? Oh yeah. Put it in a bag and then just tie it up. Put your name on it, okay? Just in case. Yes? Okay. I have to ask Miss Enriquez if I'm allowed to get it, though, okay? Okay. Remember, the school district told Miss Enriquez that we can't go through everyone's stuff and then give it back to you guys. But I'll ask her if there's something specific. I can try to ask her. I don't know. All right? Okay. Put it in a bag, tie it up, put your name on it, just in case, because of the library books. All right? If you return a library book, we want to make sure that you don't get charged or get an overdue fine or something like that. Okay. Computers. Ms. Enriquez said that we're going to try to figure out the computers later on. Okay? So if you're going to Einstein or you're going to a charter school, you might need it for promotion. So hold on to your computer and then we'll figure it out later. Okay? Just make sure you're checking Class Dojo. Okay. Thumbs up? Are we good on this? Okay, perfect. Moving on. All right. Okay, stations. Here's the stations. Station 1. Okay. You know where Mr. Grisenia walks? I mean, not walks, sorry. You know for duty, you know where Mr. Grisenia usually is? Like, no, not Mr. Grisenia, Miss Bazan. Hold on, let me do this. Open Google Earth. Yes. There we go. All right. Okay, right about here. Oops. Right about there is going to be Station 1. Oh, that's not good. Hold on, let me fix that. Around there is Station 1. What you need to do is you're going to drive. If you drive, you need to hold up, have a piece of paper with your name and your team number on it, and then show it to me. I will be right here. Okay, I'm going to have my, I will be right there, and then I'll announce your name just so everyone knows that you're here. Make sense? So if Luis Resendez drives up with his dad, he's going to drive up. Okay, he's going to show me his paper in the window, and then I'm going to announce his name. That way everyone knows Luis is here now. Okay? Your name. Okay, and your team. Because I'm going to announce your name, and then that way people know you're here, and then we're going to get your stuff ready. Okay? All right. If you're walking, Mr. Grisenia is probably going to be with me over here at Station 1. Okay? So if you're walking, just come up this way, or come up like this, right? Go on this side, and then just check in with Mr. Grisenia, and then I will announce your name, or he will announce your name. We're just gonna have one microphone and speakers, and then we'll announce your name. Okay? Now remember, it's not like it's a promotion where you're gonna get all dressed up or anything. You don't need to get dressed up and stuff, right? It's just we're announcing your name so everyone else at the other stations know you're here. Make sense? It's not like a normal promotion. Okay? Don't get confused. All right. Station 2. It's going to be about there. Well, let me make this bigger. So we're going to have some boxes there. Okay, you're driving. Station 2. You drive up. Or we might have it over here. We'll see. We might move it over a little bit. We're going to have the return boxes there. So there's going to be one box for each team. Drop off your bag there. Okay? Make sense? So you're just going to hand off your stuff. I'm not sure which teacher is going to be there. It might be Miss Bazan, Miss Enriquez. You'll give them your bag, okay? And then you'll drive off, okay, to the next station. Okay? If you're walking, same thing. You're just going to line up on this side. Right here. Okay. Giovanni, you got a question, buddy? Okay. Natalie, do you have a question? Okay, go ahead. Don't worry about it right now. Okay? Yeah, it'll be okay. I talked to, your mom talked to us about it the other day. Alrighty. Next, Station 3 is going to be about here. Kind of near, like, the last building. Okay? So over there, that's where we're going to give you a bag of stuff. Your promotion materials will be in that bag. Okay? Make sense, everyone? So I think it's going to be Miss Mendoza and Mr. Perez. They're going to hand off your stuff, okay? And it'll be like your promotion goodie bag, okay? Promotion certificate, promotion medal, and then a couple other things. Alrighty? Maybe the shirt, maybe if you're a good boy or a good girl. If you were good this year. All right, some of you will get a lump of coal in your bag, like Christmas time. All right, then we go down this way. I'm just joking. Maybe. All right, Then you go this way. Miss Chavez will be around here somewhere. She volunteered to take pictures, so she might take pictures or video of you guys as you drive past. So just wave to her, okay, and she'll take a picture. She's not an official station. She'll just be walking around. All right? Okay. And then that's that. All right? And then you leave. Okay? If you're walking, it's the same thing, except you go this way. Like that. Okay? All right. Any questions? Go for it. Wait, hold on. So we'll talk about it more. Well, actually, wait, these are the, Xavier Dominguez. This is just these are the stations. Okay, Station 1, you check in with me or Mr. Gazenia. Station 2, you you drop off your stuff you're returning. Station 3, that is when we give you your promotion stuff. Okay, Raphael has a question, I think. Go ahead, Raphael. Yes. Oh yeah. Uh huh. Yeah, yeah. It's the promotion. This is the virtual promotion. Oh, that's what we're talking about. Miss Enriquez and I are Miss Enriquez and the fifth grade teachers are trying to work it out right now because I don't know if she has to help out with anything else. Like on Tuesdays is when we usually have a staff meeting, so she has a staff meeting that day, and then there's a couple other things going on. So I'm just checking to see if it's gonna work. All right, guys. Hold on one second. I'm gonna send this. I'm just texting this to the fifth grade teachers. Promotion. Okay. All right. I think that's most of the information that you guys need. That's pretty much it. Let's see. All right. I think that's all you guys need to know for Wednesday. All right. Let me double check. And then we're gonna go ahead and go over the math assignment. Raphael, go ahead, buddy. Yeah, go ahead. Go for it. Oh, I forgot to mention that. No, we're gonna have to cancel it because I'm gonna be at school. Yeah, we're gonna have a meeting at school. Come get your stuff. That's the meeting. Meet me at school, 6 feet away. But Miss Navarro's gonna have to cancel her office hours because it overlaps with Team 20's time. Okay. Okay. Good question. Go ahead, Isabella. Yes. I since I sent it out a little bit late, I made it due tomorrow because what I thought we were gonna have to do is I thought we had to turn in the computers on Wednesday, but Miss Enriquez said that we would change it. So I'm still gonna have the math due tomorrow, and then I'll send you another math assignment. Good news. Good news, guys. I thought that was gonna be the last assignment, but good news. Since you can keep your computers, I can give you one more assignment. Yay. Are you so happy? Nah, it'll just be due Friday. Go ahead, Antoine. Yeah, you can have a virtual. You can have a 6 feet away high five. Okay. Alrighty. Yes. Oh no, I can't. Because then you're gonna touch everybody's. You're gonna touch that. Lots of people will touch that little hand. Okay, I gotta go. Moving on. Okay, I think that's all the info, and we will give you the time for next Tuesday. Soon. Alrighty. All right, get your slideshow open. Oh, look at this. Let's go over the time slideshow. All right. Okay, and if you didn't finish it, you should get a piece of paper and pencil, because we're going over the answers. You might as well do it right now. What's wrong, Sebastian? Oh, okay. It's gonna be okay. After my Zoom is done, Sebastian, I'll go check your stuff. You want to say hi? Say hi. Say hi. Just wave. Okay, cool. Alrighty. We are going over the actual answers, guys. Okay, so make sure don't say that you're going to do it later, because we're doing it now. You're already here with us. You might as well do it now. Okay. Go to number... Let's see. There we go. Go to this page right here. Okay, page 13. All right. 360 minutes. So how do I figure out how many hours are in 360 minutes? Raise your Zoom hand. Zoom hand. Okay, it's 360 minutes. Okay, Akemi. Yeah, you can multiply by 60, right? So, like this. Okay. You can do two different ways. You can do this, like 60. Like with a bar model, if I want to do bar model, I could do this. Oops. Whoa, that's a weird bar. Hold on 1 second. Let me fix this. What? There we go. Okay. So if I do bar model, I can go 60, and then another 60 is 120, right? Another 60 is 180. And then I can keep on going. I think I made this I made these too big. So I'm going to adjust my bar model. Let's say that this is 60 right here. And this is another 60, so that's 120. Another 60 would be 180. Another 60 would be 240. Another 60 would be 300. And then one more 60 would be 360. Okay? So this would be... Yep, exactly. So it's... Count it with me. So this is one group is 60, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups of 60. Okay, so that's 6 hours. So if I made 6 groups of 60, that's 6 hours. Okay? So it's 6 hours. Now, how do I do it with division? It's almost the same thing. Antoine, you got your Zoom hand up? Okay. So how do I do? Are you going to show me how to do it with division? Yeah. Wait, pause for a second. Hold on. Okay, go ahead. So you did it with sixes? Yeah. Oh, yeah, perfect. Hold on, let me move this stuff over. So Antoine's got a smart idea. He says he had a gym across the street. And you said 6 times 6 is. You did it like that? Perfect. Right? So that's how I did it with the example. Right? So 360. So that means he knows 60 times 6 is 360. And how much do we have left over? We got no minutes left over. There's 0 minutes left over. So this right here, this is our quotient. All right? So 60 times 6 is 360. There's no minutes left over. So you should have 6. That means that in 360 minutes, there are 6 hours. All right? So there's two ways to do it. There's this way with this division. And then this is the way to show it with the bar model. And it's kind of the same thing, right? Because multiplication and division are related. So you can show it with multiplication, or you can show it with division. Okay? All right. So 360 minutes equals how many hours, Hayuki? Yeah, I called on you because you looked sleepy. 6 hours. How many minutes? No. This is 6 hours and how many minutes left over? Yeah, 0 minutes left over. There we go. Okay? All right. Next, let's go over the next problem. Here we go. 385 minutes. Where'd it go? There it is. Okay, 385 minutes. Okay, how do we solve that? How do we figure out how many hours are in 385 minutes? You want to show it with division or with multiplication? It's the same thing, right? It's the same thing. So I got 385. And I'm trying to take out hours, right? So I'm trying to take out 60 minutes just like before. And then Antoine already worked it out, remember? Okay. Let's see who is listening. 60 times 6, what is that? Someone other than Antoine. Boom. There we go, right? Okay. The reason we know that is because we did that in the other problem. All right, now, how many minutes are going to be left over? So I'd subtract. I got 5, 8 tens minus 6 tens is 2 tens. 3 hundreds minus 3 hundreds is 0 hundreds. And Antoine's right, that's 25 minutes. Okay, so this 25 means there's 25 minutes left over. So this is the quotient. And this is our remainder. All right, since we're working with hours and minutes, this is 6 hours and this is 25 minutes left over. Okay? All right. So on this page, you should have 6 hours and 25 minutes. All right, guys? We got that? Okay. Next one. 8 hours equals, now this time I went the other way around. 8 hours equals how many minutes? Don't call it out. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you guys in breakout rooms, and I want you guys to talk to everyone in your breakout room about what you got. If you didn't do it, then do it right now with the people in your breakout room. Okay? 8 hours, how many minutes is that? Hold on 1 second. Don't call it out. All right, there you go. Okay, oh, go into your breakout rooms. All right, let's see. Hey, why are you still here? Romeo, Miguel, Chris, Naomi. How come you're not in your breakout room? Thank you, finally. Wait, Naomi and Romeo, what's up? Shouldn't you guys be in your breakout room? Okay, Romeo, Naomi, and who's this other one? Chris Samba. Turn on your cameras. Let's just talk about it here. Yoo-hoo. Oh, that's okay. You okay, Luis? Okay. Did you finish? Oh, okay. Well, go ahead and turn on your camera. How many hours do you think is in? I mean, how many minutes are in 8 hours? Okay, so remember um, how many minutes are in 1 hour? Remember, it's the beginning of the slideshow. Remember, it's 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Okay. Yeah. So 1 hour is 60 minutes. So if you have 8 hours, then you do 60 times. Yeah, 60 times 8. Okay. Let's do this on the side, on a gem. What's 6 times 8? Count it with me. So 6, 12, 18. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. So if it's 60 times 8, it grows by place value. Yeah, perfect. There we go. You just annex the 0, and it's 480. Boom. Okay, 480 minutes. All right. Okay, I'm going to close all the rooms so everyone comes back. Hello. Welcome back. Okay, what did you guys get? Exactly 480. But more importantly, how did you solve that? Let's go with Isabella. I haven't had let Isabella answer something. Oh, okay. So someone, yes, Antoine, you're so excited. Okay, but you solved the last one. Let's have someone else help out with this. So raise your Zoom hand.
Papa,
Hi, Sebastian.
when
And
I was testing it,
give me one.
Papa, when
Yes.
I was testing it, 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 one of the tracks got blown off,
That's okay.
and then, the track went inside the drawer.
Oh wow. I'll check it out as soon as the Zoom is over. Okay, Sebastian. Okay. All right, guys. So let's go with Annabelle. Annabelle, you want to walk us through this one? Did you get 480? Okay, how'd you do it? Okay, so 6 times 8. Wait, explain 6. What's 6 times 8 first? 48. All right, perfect. Now what?
Papa,
So it grows by place value, right?
Papa, can I put the track together?
Boom. There we go. And remember, it's 60 because that's how many minutes are in an hour. Good job. Perfect. All right. And this is what Luis and I did while you guys were in your breakout rooms. It's the same thing. All right, guys? So it's groups of 60. It's groups of 60. All right. Last one. Let's see what time it is. 2:30. Okay. Last one. This was the last problem. So you guys know that Dahlia, my daughter, is a vegetarian. So sometimes I have to cook 2 different meals. So the question was, Mr. Delos Reyes was baking lasagna for his family. He had to bake 2 different lasagnas, one with meat and one vegetarian. Okay? So Dahlia's takes 45 minutes. Dahlia's takes 45 minutes, and then everyone else's takes 45 minutes. Okay? But I have to do it. I have to take turns. My oven is small. So 45 minutes, I take it out, then 45 minutes. Okay? All right. Talk to your, I'm going to put you in a breakout room and talk to them about your answer.
Papa,
Okay, breakout rooms are coming back in just a minute.
Papa,
Hold on, Sebastian.
can I put the track together?
What, buddy?
Can I put the track together?
Yeah, you can put it back together. All right, let's see. I'm going to give you guys new breakout rooms. Okay, and boom. Accept the rooms. All right, guys. Let's see. Ricardo, Jocelyn, Natalie, Romeo. No breakout room? Why aren't you at? Why aren't you in your breakout room? Romeo, are you just hanging out? Are you actually here? Jocelyn, Natalie, same thing. Can you guys hear me? Oh, perfect. Natalie. So Natalie and Jocelyn, you guys talk here, okay? Okay. See if you can figure it out. I'm gonna go join Maeve's group because she's asking for help. Okay, Maeve. How's it going, guys? What's going on? Okay, let's talk about it together. Okay, what was step one? What did you do first? Okay, so you added 45 with another 45? Okay. So I'm going to ask you, how did you know to do that? What's in the story that tells you to do that? Okay. Perfect. That's exactly how you. I like how you said that. You can either multiply it by 2 or you can just add them up. That's awesome. Okay. So 45. I'm gonna write this on the side. Okay. So add them up for me or multiply. Okay. Yeah. All right. Go. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So let's do this real quick. So this is 8. So 4 tens plus 4 tens is 8 tens. Right. 5 ones plus 5 ones is 10 ones. Right. But remember, with the algorithm, what do you do with this? Yeah, we regroup, right? Okay, so we regroup it. So perfect. So I'm going to regroup that up here. Boom. And instead of just having eight tens, how many tens do we have? So we have 9 tens, which is the same as 90. Perfect. Okay, that's step one. All right, so now what? What do I do with those 90 minutes? Did you get to step two? Always. Can I? Yes. One minute or 1 hour? Yes, 1 hour. Okay, perfect. So, so you took out 60 because there's 60 minutes in an hour, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is 1 hour. That represents 1 hour. And then after you did the subtraction, you had 30 left over, you say, right? What is this 30? Oops, that's ugly. What's that 30 left over? Yes, perfect. Good. Okay. All right, there we go. I'm going to go ahead and break up the breakout rooms, okay? We're going to break that up. Break that. We're going to close down the breakout rooms, and then if we have time, Maeve, I'm going to have you talk about at least this very first part. Okay? All right. Mariella, are you okay? You good? Okay. Uh-oh. All right. Hey, guys. Oh, what happened? You got kicked out of your breakout room? Closing all rooms. Hello. Welcome back. Welcome back. Oh, my gosh. Got crazy again. All right. Mute yourself because Maeve is going to explain this how she started off. Okay. Oh, Antoine, you can't solve every problem. I like your enthusiasm. Yes, we are a team. Wait, pause. Okay. So Dahlia, I mean not Dahlia, sorry. Maeve, can you go ahead and explain what we talked about here? Yes. Okay. So this is the vegetarian. Wait, hold on. Hey Google, how do you spell vegetarian? Oh, actually, wait. Stop. Let me double check. Oh, I did write it up there. I looked it up before. Vegetarian. It was not vegan. Um, Antoine, you're interrupting a little bit too much. Check yourself. Vegetarian. Vegetarian, and this one is meat. There we go. Okay, so this is 45 minutes for the meat lasagna. The second 45 is for the vegetarian lasagna. Okay. There we go. So, I like how Maeve said that you could do it either way. All right? If I was cooking 12 lasagnas, I probably would need to do this. I would need to multiply. Because adding 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 plus 45 is very inefficient. It wouldn't be very efficient. This would be the better way. If I have a really big number. Okay, go for it, Dave. Perfect. Okay, and this 90 represents 90 minutes. So altogether, it would be 90 minutes. But remember, I asked you to tell me how long it took in hours, right? So Maeve, go ahead, right here. There we go. Okay. And so this, yeah. So she took out 60, which is 1 hour, and then she had 30 minutes left, or 30 left, which was 30 minutes. Perfect. Thank you, Maeve. Okay. So this is 1 hour. Let me do this in a little thicker pen, and I'll use red. This is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Great job. Thank you, Maeve, and good explanation. Alrighty? Alright. That was the math assignment. So there are 34 people here. All 34 of you should have this done. You know why? We did it all together. Okay? Alright. I'll send you one last math assignment for this week. It's going to be a geometry one. It's not going to be that hard. Okay? And then the only other thing that I'm going to... Mute yourself. Ricardo, is that you? Mute yourself, dude. Thank you. It's loud. You're loud. You need to mute yourself. All right. Everyone else. This is the... there's one more math assignment. I will not make it very long. But the other thing that... I know. The other thing that you do need to try to finish by the end of the week is the book. We are almost done with Hello Universe. We only have 5... I just dropped 4 chapters today. 4. I put 4 chapters in today. Okay? So I'm all the way up to chapter 37. Okay? All the way up to chapter 37. I recorded a bunch today. And then tonight, I'm going to try to record the rest. There are 5 more chapters left, and then we will be done with the book. You'll know what happens at the very, very, very end. Okay? Try to catch up, guys. Try to catch up. Why not? Why? Why? I like it. I like it. Okay, Maeve, go ahead. 38? Oh, you are right. You know what? I forgot to change this to 38 here. Boom. There you go. All right. And if you look at the titles of the chapters, they're kind of clues about what's going to happen, guys. Okay? They're clues. All right. That is it for today. I will see you tomorrow at office hours, guys. Okay? All right. Catch up with the chapters. Catch up with the chapters. It's getting good now. All right, guys. I will see you tomorrow at office hours. Okay. Wait, hold on, Akemi. As soon as everyone leaves, you ask your question, okay? Stop. Hold on. Okay, go ahead, Akemi. Which one? Which one? Oh, for tomorrow? Yeah, it's more, it's geometry stuff. So we're going to just be talking about 3-dimensional shapes and things like that. Yeah, I'm going to put in I'm going to make I'm going to put some videos in there. Okay? If the Khan Academy videos are good, I'll just put the Khan Academy videos in there. We'll see. They're good. The Khan Academy videos are good. They're just boring. They're just boring and long sometimes. So that's the only problem with the Khan Academy ones. Okay, but I'll it's not a lot of stuff. It's just stuff like it's just a few things to get you exposed to geometry. Usually geometry is the last thing of the year. Okay. Alrighty, Kemi? Alright. I will see you tomorrow. Okay. Bye, Morelia. Bye, guys. I'm going to end the meeting right now. Oh, yeah. I'm going to end it. I'm going to end it and then start it back up in just a couple minutes. What time is it? Yeah. Bye, guys. See ya.